Ka-Q. Ka-Q is mean lower grade or low class. The kanji ka or the kanji of shita is mean something under or something is low. The low position you can use and ka shita, the kanji of shita or the kanji of ka. And the second kanji Q. Q is mean the level or is mean the grade, right? So it mean when we use ka Q, that means the low grade or the low level or low class. Just depend what you use with. So in here we have the sentence like このクラスは下級です。このクラスは下級です。Which means this class is in low level. This class is in low level. Class is mean class in English. Kono is mean this. So kono class is mean this class. Wa ka-kyu desu. This mean is in low level. In here we say about the class. The class, if we talk about the class, we talk about the student, right? We talk about learn something, learn English, learn Japanese. We talk about the education. So when we talk about the education, we should have the level. For example, we have the middle class, right? The best class, and not very good class, right? So the not very good class, we can say like the low grade or low class. So this means we separate the class to be the three level, right? The low, the middle, and the high level. And when we say about the low level or low grade, we can say ka-kyu. Ka-kyu means low class or low grade. And another example, you can use the ka-kyu with the hotel. For example, このホテルはか-kyuですから安いです。このホテルはか-kyuですから which means this hotel is low grade. Low grade. So it's cheap, right? このホテルはか-kyuですから安いです。